The following video is rated PG, which may contain material that is unsuitable for younger viewers.
Coming up.
Oh! Oh no, you're dead! Whoa! Jesus Christ!
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
We go to view control room? Yes, we can. Alright. So, yeah, as you can see, wow, look at that! Great. Wow! Look at this! Ah! Yeah, it looks! Wait. Oh. Yo, what? Twitch! Oh, look at here. Ah! Yeah, it looks! Colors there! Oh, surprise! Yo, what? Twitch! Oh, here. Alright, here we are, so... These are the videos. Oh my god, look at that face there!
Espiritas Santas Corazon Jesse. It is time to sleep. Oh no money, please don't do this to me. Shut up, son. Oh, to
Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Alright. Okay, son. I'm coming to you. What?
Hello, this is Jake Madsen,
Jake Madsen? What? Hold on, this is just wrong.
and today it's my first episode of BBI Gets Grounded.
What? Hold on, the big brother I never... Wait a minute. This is great.
BBI, you know you're not too supposed to watch that. That show
Whoa!
looks too bad for sexy.
Hey, what did you say?
Now you will forced to watch SpongeBob SquarePants for your rest of your life.
But Dad, Big Brother is the best show.
I do not care, it is. Now go to bed.
Oh no,
What is it now?
I need to use the bathroom.
Because it's 6:39 p.m. in the morning.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
What?
Oh,
Nope, I'm not watching that. What is that? Oh, what? It's Christmas. Oh, Santa's coming to town.
Woohoo.
Oh,
Today it's...
Wait a minute. Is that his son?
Irresponsible dog.
And hi, Red Bird.
Hi Sally.
Hey! Red, look at this. That is not me. Who is that? That is not me, you guys. Are you here? That is not me. That is not me. God sake, that's Amy.
oh my god. It's a blizzard. Better get home.
What's going on? How did he get home?
Oh, what's gonna happen then?
Man, that was a harsh snowstorm.
Oh,
I know,
I think
but
that's
we
what
need to
happened.
watch Celebrity Big Brother until the snowstorm goes.
Why are you guys running? Wait, what is that?
And now, it's time for the countdown.
Balloon! The balloon! No, what the hell is that? What? Bridge!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Oh!
5, 4, 3, 2,
It's
1.
you.
Yeah, New Year's.
Oh yeah, they're dancing like they
Woohoo.
don't care.
Let's go.
AA, Happy New Year. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, so... Wow. You know anyone? Alright. So... Basically, he's all this. It's like, just like Trevor. Hey! I'm so mean. It's long. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, let's just submit that. Send success. Alright. Oh, those stupid Beyond updates are terrible. Yeah, I can agree. Yes, that's right. Obviously, when a skibidi. No!
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, I'm back again. I'm sorry about the interruption, but
apparently the landlord just called. The landlord. She knows I was streaming. Yeah. But yeah. Anyway, what I'm doing. What's this? Oh my god.
Diabetes.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, everyone. Yeah. Yeah. I just did something cringe right now. I'm the only person here. Oh, hello, lady. How you? You're doing good. You're doing good. All right, let's go. 18 seconds. All right. So, how's your day going? You good? Yes, I got the key. Let's go. All right. Who's that? Who's this? One block. And then now. All right. It's good. What's that? What did you find? What did you get? Never mind. I'm just gonna leave. Whoa! Oh. Look down! Look down! Look down! Look down! There we go. Whoa! Whoa! What's that? Oh my god! Alright, this is a nice. Oh! Okay, this. Did you get any key? No? Wait, I think it's in here. Oh. No, there's No! I don't want to slay! I don't want to slay, man. Oh my god, we're wasting time. We didn't.
1 hour later.
Oh wait, something is moving. I think I know where it is. Yes! Oh my god. I didn't even look. Let's go! Let's go! Let's unlock this bad boy. What's that? What was that? Hello? Who's that? 13! Ah! No! What was that? I'm not going there. For God's sake. Hell no. Do I have to go? I'm just gonna. Oh my! I can't see. I can't see. Oh my god. Oh wait. Right. Oh my god, did you see that? What's going on? What's happening? Get out of there! What's happening? God. No! Oh no, you're dead! Oh no! Jesse, where are you? My name is not Jesse, what have you done to him? I can't, there's nothing in it. Whoa! Jesus Christ! What was that? What was that? What, did you see that? Oh my god! Oh my god! It's right there. Ah, finally, some light! Oh my god. And yep, it's dark. The Michael Jackson in the house. Whoa, hello! What you doing there? Hey, look at this! Ah, I cannot see, man. I can't. I don't know, why am I playing this? Oh, hey. What? What? Ah! What are you doing? I'm just trying to look for a key, man. Yay! Oh, wait. What are you doing? happened? Oh, Chunter! Ah, no! Okay, yup, I'm not kidding. Have you met Donald Duck? Donald Duck? You mean Donald Duck? Donald Duck. Oh, yeah, good one. Yeah, good one. Thank you. Right, so.
Excuse people.
New friend. This dirty mouth face has invited you to a sabotage party. Oh my god, it is time to dance shabba hooray down to keep the down to
Yep. That is scary.
What is happening? Jesus Christ.
God! Why did you do that? Why did you have that jump scare?
Hello my fellow residents, I'm the president. I don't even know why we're doing this, and whoever made this old video is a 2-year-old. Please help me, my brain is dying.
Whoa! Snowball! Ow! Ouch! Ouch!
Ow! Oh no!
Stop! You're throwing so much snowballs at me! Oh, shut up! Let's get her! Yeah, let's go get her! Oh, not again! Oh, stop! Out!
Hello, I'm here to rescue you.
First, you need to put a saddle on my back! Right? Now sit up and let's go!
Pig police! Get over here right now or you're going to jail!
They're coming! Uh-oh!
Surprise!
Oh, that's too late! I'm gonna get jump scared!
No! Don't bother! Don't do
No,
it, please! Please, no!
There is somebody there! Hello? Who are you, sir? What's this?
Oh!
Oh no, they will send me in prison! What's going on? I'm not gonna kill anyone!
Hey, get me out of here right now, you peasants. I'm innocent. I'm suing you all for what you did to me.
What is he even saying? His microphone is too quiet.
Oh, yeah! Oh man! Oh man! You're coming fast and I can't think. Fall! Oh! What a kill! What? And it hurts! Help me! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! My blood! Yep, I fall out the map. Congratulations. Yes! Yes. That's it. You're doing good. Wiggle your legs. Can you feel it? Yeah, you are. Can you make it? Oh, you listen. Oh my god! You're responsible for that speed run. Let's go. No! Sacrifice my son! Yep. Wait. I can do it. Oh yeah, that's good. Do you, son?
Oh my god!
Yes, that's good. No, not good. No, I can't. I did it, Daddy. I just jumped. No. I'm leaving you forever. Come on.
A műsor támogatója a Émékéd. Éjségérvi termékélhetőségét a felszíni műsor.
Wait, what?
Ow. That's good. That's good. Oh God. Oh my God. Wait, go back, how do I shoot? Control to shoot, but... Ah, there we go. Alright, dude, goodbye. Ow! One good shot. Oh, wow! Yeah! No! No! Oh, no! The monster truck! Wait, what are you doing? Are you dead? Oh, he's dead! Yes! That's good! That's good! Oh, don't leave! Come on! Break it! Come on! Come on! No! Oh, back to me! Mario! Cool! Yes. Wait. How do I get it? Where am I going? Mario! Get back here, Mario! Oh, let me get my spaghetti! Oh no! Why that? Okay, wait, let's kill some people! Oh wait, you are right there. It's Grandpa! Thank you. Kill this guy. Hey, annoying Saber guy. It didn't come up to the apartment. Hello? Hello? Is anyone home? I wouldn't go down. Uh-oh, bad idea! Bad idea! Ah! Hey, where are you and how did you get here? Ow! Ow! What the hell was that? Oh! Come on! Don't keep off! Come on! Get to the point already! Come on! Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh! Hey! 小姐腿都渴。You're gonna go for Christmas. Oh no! What? Damn. What do I do? Hello? How do I? Okay, this may know that. This may know that. Damn it! Level! What? But it's already over, sorry. Oh! Yeah, screw it. Look, get you out of my spot. Come on, do it. This way. There. Oh my god, what's gonna happen? What's happening? Ow! Uh-huh! Yup! That's what happens! Try not to not do it.
Plastic support.
think doesn't capture this thing? Yeah, right. Hang on, I got an idea. I think it's calling chatbots to try to get. Wait, what? Hold on, what? Okay, let me just do this. Hello, how may I help you? Oh, that is good. Yeah, that is interesting. Yeah, that's it. That's just saving. That is just saving. Why are you filming a TikTok?
I don't know. Chad, what do you think Chocolate is talking about? You please stop doing this while I'm streaming. What are you talking about? I like to cause trouble. You get a life, Mario. Nobody cares. Just shut up. Just shut up and let me do this. yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Chad, I'm doing a stream right now, and I don't know why I'm doing this because I feel like I'm a peasant. So, can't see this. Sadie's talking about whatever she's talking about, but no one answer. Nobody knows. So, thank.
What? Are you gonna post this on YouTube? Don't post that on YouTube, you idiot. Okay, wow, you're gonna post it on YouTube? Yes. Well, why are you doing this? Yeah, I'm gonna post it on YouTube, man.
I don't even know what I'm watching anymore. Please stop.
Oh no, Grandma is wounded! Oh no! Grandma, what have you done? Alright. Oh, what the hell is happening? Help! Okay, what's going on? Oh no! Respect the car, for God's sake. Do not abuse him. Abuse him, for God's sake. Yes, we all get it. So please, just be nice to him.
Where are the little aliens? Play pod.
Yes, that's what one of the idiots.
Alien says squeeze grow.
What the hell am I watching? What are you doing?
Happy Mother's Day!
Oh, brother pops out of the house.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, there we go. That's more like it. So much later than the old lady got there in the picnic and they had to hire anyone. Okay, I get it, bro. Shush. Warning. Please do not play this video or you're canceled. You can't tell me what to do. I can do it. Okay, I did not expect that, but you did not hear it. Whoa! Whoa! Sharknado! Yay! Oh, got it fun. Get on me! Yeah, I'm gonna capture this. Capture shame. That's it. Yes! Mr. Bacon! Oh, Mr. Bacon! How are you doing? Hey! Get out of here!
I like trains.
Oops! I told you to wait, message! Oh! Stop biting your mom! Yay! Oh, I'm in! Oh, never mind. Come on, I need this! Come on! Let me get this magic! Hello? SpongeBob, can you help me? SpongeBob, what happened to your legs? What happened to your legs?
Oh my god! Spongy Scooby-Dooby Square Poops' legs have been amputated. Oh no! President. Mr. Spooky Scary Man exits the stage. Oh no! Please come back. I want to sign an autograph.
OHMI ゴッド I am スーパーデューパーメガヒーパーソリナカします。バットの
Oh,
Hey, that's now nice, bro. It's a bit.
I don't know. Yes! I'm old Christ man again.
I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. I'm a kitty cat.
Oh! It's a Halloween edition of Slam Dunk or Basket.
Ghosts and ghouls.
Oh, Wait, that was it? Come on, man. That was not enough. Come on.
We didn't even hear what was going on.
Oh, gummy bear. Nice. Give me that. Wait, what? She's cheating. She wants to be in there too. I'm coming for you. I'm coming. No! Don't do this! No! Ah! No! No! Don't kill me! Oh, that was good. God, this. Ah! It explodes! Goodbye. The candy's mine. What? Yes. Yeah, let's get out of here. Oh no, not Slenderman! But at least we got some candies. Here we go. Nope, that didn't scare me, but... Give me my candies back! Oh, shut up, Slenderman! I'll make sure you give me my candy! Give me my candy! What are you doing? This was all my children. You did not give me. Oh, wow! It's the Halloween Christmas. Dance Revolution. Really? Oh, I'm one of them! Yay! Let's go! Ready? Set! Action! I won! Yes! Woo! Yeah! Beat that! I'm the winner! And I'm now holding. Wait, what?
Is about to unfold once again.
Hey, I want to
stormy
join!
night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'll give you my
but
money.
this time,
I'm
it's
gonna kill you
for
now.
you.
No. What? I'm at the top of the elevator. What the hell? Give me beer. Give me beer, man. I need more money. For what? More beer? What's happening? Oh my god! Oh no! Oh my god! The elevator's dancing! Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Who summoned him up? Uh-oh. What's happening? What did you do? What's happening? Uh-oh. Oh no. What's going on? What's going on? Help! Oh no. This is not good. What's going on? Ah! Oh my god. Hello, peasant. Welcome to my boss battle. Now I'm gonna kill you. Ah! What's going on? What are those? Bloody pumpkins. Whoa! Whoa! I almost died. Oh my god. Wait. Yes! I just got something. Wait! Oh! No! Oh, take it! Oh no! What? I don't care. Yeah.
Stop it!
Oh! What? Ah!
Among Us!
Among Us! Oh, not the anomaly one! No! Not that!
Hey, yo, the pizza here!
Hey, yo, the pizza's here!
又是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片。
What on?
Hey, yo, the pizza here!
Hey, yo, the pizza
Nope.
Yeah, we're gonna make a joking comic because why not? So, what do we do? Oh my god. I don't know what I'm making, but this is crazy. Oh, what's this? What is this? What's this, man? What's this? Oh, Studio Crosser. Oh, wow. So, bro, how's it going? There we go. What? I wasn't supposed to do that. How do we delete this character? My name is Jock. I made this comic because I'm a peasant.
Shortly before Chuck was supposed to end his stream, his landlord unexpectedly turned up in his room, questioning Chuck why he was streaming all day. She then argues with him, which would later escalate.
Yes?
And then this happened.
What are you doing? Why did you stop the music? Get to bed right now, mister. I'm not gonna say it again. Don't you dare look at me like that. I'm giving you 10 seconds. 10 freaking seconds, or I'm gonna destroy your gaming setup and you will not stream ever again. Do you understand?
No.
What? That's it. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? This? You don't need this? I don't know. Whoa. What are you doing? You don't need this? Ow! My camera! What are you doing? Ow! What are you doing? I'm gonna... How does it feel? How does it feel, huh? How does it feel? Oh my god! How does it feel, huh? Get out of there! Oh! Stop! You're breaking the microphone! I don't care. How does it feel now?
This was the result of Chuck's flopped stream. Because of his landlords, he was unable to stream again. But will he ever stream again anytime soon? We may never know. But there's one thing, live streams will always go ahead, no matter what the landlords. So, join us next time on Chuck Bird Presents.